Hi everyone, Certified Term Healthy Mama Coach Christina here. My order from THM came in a couple of days ago, but I haven't had time to go live and share. I hadn't even opened it because life's just been kind of crazy. But I had a few minutes before I run off to go do something else. I went and renewed my driver's license, changing it to enhanced today because my license was going to expire on Monday, so I took care of that, and luckily I had enough time to come home and do a few things before I run off to go coach volleyball at practice today. So anyway, I ordered with the latest sale. So I didn't do the big sale that was Labor Day, I think it was. I didn't do that one. I didn't really need anything. But I did do their latest one of the 400th episode, which just aired. I still need to go watch it. But I went online. I was out of Super Sweet, basically at the bottom of the barrel of my Super Sweet. And I was getting close to emptying out my Gentle Sweet. I still have plenty of stevia. So, but I knew that I was going to need to do an order. So I went ahead and ordered the things that I needed and that I use on a normal basis. So I ordered more nutritional yeast. I love their non-fortified nutritional yeast. So I bought 2 more bags because I had another bag or 2 down in the pantry. But I use nutritional yeast all the time. It's one of my favorite things to use. Especially since I try to go dairy light. This is my sub for being dairy light. Most of the time is that nutritional yeast. I bought more of their conditioner. I love their shampoo and conditioner. Their shampoo is out of stock right now, so I'm just waiting for the notification that it's back. But I went ahead and got a bottle of the conditioner. I ordered more Hydrates. Now that I'm out and about more with school going on and all the things, I always have Hydrates in my purse, and these are quick and easy to grab and use. And so they are my favorites. I got the Orange Oasis. They're my absolute favorite flavor that they have. I ordered a big bag of Gentle Sweet. This was on sale with that 400th episode thing. And then I went ahead, even though Super Sweet was not on sale, I was out of it, or very, very getting close to out of it. So I ordered more Super Sweet because these are the sweeteners that I use on an everyday basis. Are their Super Sweet, Gentle Sweet, and their stevia. And then I also use the Truvia sweeteners that are individually packed that I can use when I'm out and about and having an iced tea like I did today when I had lunch with my husband David. So that's everything in my box that I got. I didn't do a huge order, just got the things that I needed to get. I did want to show you this new thing that I bought on Amazon. So I got one of these, and it has little containers in there. Right now I have 2 that are drying because I washed them. But I've been making vegetable trays and fruit trays. So all my fruit, all my vegetables, they get cut up, they put into these. These, I have 4 of these now. Because it came with a set of 2 and we really liked them. So we bought another set of 2. My husband, this was our first week using it. My husband and my kids love these. So easy for them to grab fresh fruit and vegetables for their lunches or snacks. And it's easy for me to piece together vegetables and fruit and salads or whatever I'm doing. So it makes it so much easier for me making my salads. So I just want to share that with you. It's like $20 on Amazon. You get 2 of them, and they come with 8 containers in each. So it just makes meal prep so much easier and better. Hope you're having a great Wednesday. It's hump day, and I will talk to you later. All right, have a great day. Bye.